My name is Llinos Neale. I heard about Swn in my first year of university. We went and saw some bands and I really enjoyed going to the different venues because I'd not seen so much of Cardiff. It was such a small group of people that ran it and I found it really genuine. They did it because they loved it. It wasn't all about the money, or it was all about the music really and the event itself. And that really appealed to me, just working in something that you love doing, because you don't get to do that a lot in your life. That's when I started thinking about it as something that I might want to do in the future, as like a career, or never even thought there was a career possibility in that really. People do this. It was the first year they had volunteers. It was just me and Helen, so it was 2 people. It was mainly just the little things, that were working the door, checking wristbands. We felt really special. We were like, we're the first ever volunteers. We thought, oh well, we've gone down in history now, that's it. It was the second time around and me and Helen had so much fun the first time. We said, oh, definitely going to do it again next year. There was no one managing the volunteers and there was no presence there. So I just started like going from venue to venue, making sure they had everything they needed. So yeah, that's where John saw that I had management capabilities. That's where it started, 2010 now. Ran all the meetings and I'd never run a meeting before in my life, so it was a bit daunting, 40 people looking at you. And then this year, I am the volunteer coordinator. I manage and work with the volunteers in the run-up, manage them on the weekend. You'll get someone who wants to do sound technology or someone who really wants to be in a band. What I'll do is I'll try and arrange for them to meet the right people, just putting people in the right place. And it's all about training people up to be what they want to be. It's just so accessible for people. They're doing it because they love Swn, because they love what they want to do in the future, and it does open a door. I really do think that for everybody who gets involved. For me, definitely has. I think I wouldn't be who I am today without Swn, definitely not. I feel a lot stronger and a lot more confident because I did drama and I was always out there and performing and not being myself. Whereas in Swn I am me and I work with other people and I have a lot of responsibility, and it's given me some confidence, I guess, that I wouldn't usually have as me. I definitely feel like Swn is a part of my life. As soon as you become a volunteer, you are a part of the Swn family. I can't get away, I love it.